Welcome back to another video on the PharMore Money Channel. Guys, today we're going to be talking about Apple as it heads into earnings on January 27th and how Morgan Stanley has raised its price target as well. This is one of those plays that I'm telling you that you want to be a part of as we move forward because it's Apple. First off, it's a $2 trillion market cap company with nothing but upside as it moves forward over this next year to the next decade. It is going to continue to transcend technology as it already has shown and showcased. Nothing but promise from Apple, and this is one of those companies where the stock is only at $142. It's a steal, guys. It's literally waiting to run, and I'm telling you right now, once earnings come and pass, it's going to be approaching the $200 price target, and then it's only going to be going higher than that over the next year to 2 years. So get in on Apple. Personally, I love Apple. I myself am a long-term Apple holder, and I'm continuing to hold. I think there's a ton of upside in this stock. Let's dig into why I'm so bullish. So Apple's outlook for this quarter, right, coming up, and they're reporting their earnings on January 27th, as I said. We're looking at a strong surge in iPhone 12 sales. Obviously, due to the pandemic, they basically pushed back their September release, which they've always done, right, for iPhones. Has always been that September release date. They do a whole presentation, all that. So that got pushed. Now, that got lumped into this past quarter. That's basically what's going to get released, the data on. And iPhone 12 sales will absolutely boom and surge. They're going to have strong wearable sales, so that includes the Apple Watch, right? It's going to be massive from that standpoint of the Series 6 watches. They're going to have strong MacBook, iPad sales. They're also going to be talking more about their 5G technology incorporated into their phones, right? So iPhone 12 was really a game changer, guys. If you think about it, we've had nothing but 3G, LTE, all this other stuff, but we've never had phones that have been able or have had the capability to work with 5G technology and the cell towers from that standpoint. So once again, another huge boost to their stock and share price. And then the M1 chip impact, right? They're not working with Intel anymore. They're working directly with their own company to produce chips in their laptops, iPads, processors, all of that. So once again, guys, this outlook for their earnings season is nothing but fantastic as it moves forward. So PharMore Money family, Apple's first quarter earnings have a ton of expectations behind them, right? iPhone 12 has the 5G technology that's basically transforming data and mobile experience as we know it. Current estimates have their revenue to come in over $100 billion in one single quarter. That is absolutely mind-boggling and just mind-blowing if you think that through. No other company has ever done a $100 billion quarter. So keep that in mind, guys. Analysts across the board have Apple as a buy rating. Obviously, I'm buying. I am all in, not just the shares, but I'm also in on calls and from an options perspective. So for me, it's a great story that I know will unravel before this week is over, and we are all going to be very happy from Apple's progress as it moves forward. So PharMore Money family, long term, Apple will never fail, right? You don't bet against the house, and the house is set very well in this case. Morgan Stanley raised its price target to $152. They're basing it on the fact that this will be a record December quarter print, which is, we've already talked about, over $100 billion in revenue in one single quarter. It's going to be a record, all-time record quarterly revenue and earnings from that perspective. And then the fact that it's got 5G adoption as it moves forward, remote work, remote learning, and the App Store engagement is only going to drive Apple stock even higher. And that's what all the analysts out there are also predicting. This is a stock that it's only trading at around $140 right now. But over this next year, it could easily be at $300. Easily. So pay attention, do your own research as well, but definitely look at Apple right before the big day on 127. If you're looking to make fast gains, this is a stock to get behind right now. So more bullish news for Apple, right? So 56% of iPhone sales in the fourth quarter were all new iPhone 12 models, which is absolutely phenomenal. iPhone 12 and 12 Pro led the way, and their retail price obviously was around $873 average. So take that into consideration, guys. A ton of people have already moved on to the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, all of them, right? Based on the fact that it has a 5G technology. 5G is not going anywhere. There's only going to be better cell coverage, better cell towers from that perspective. So keep that in mind when you're looking at Apple. It is not just a company that, oh, well, it's only doing well in the iPhone sector. It's also got MacBooks, iPads, Apple Watch. It's got streaming services like Apple Music, TV Plus, right? iCloud storage. And these prices are only going to go higher as it moves forward over the next year to 2 years because it's got premium content on it, right? iCloud storage, everybody uses it from that standpoint. Apple Music, God, the amount of subscribers that are subscribed to Apple Music, astounding. Same thing with the Apple TV Plus. Again, it's doing well. It's got great content coming out, TV shows, you name it. So all in all, this is going to be a great story as we move forward in 2021, 2022, 2023, and beyond, right? This is one of those companies that is not going anywhere. It's a mainstay. It's a phenomenal company to get behind. It's trading at in my opinion, a total discount at $142 currently. It's crazy to think that this a month or two ago, it was about $107 a share. So get in it. In my opinion, this is one that can make a lot of people a lot of money over time. So this will be a long-term play, guys. Hope everyone learned something from this, and that you also make decisions based on kind of what research you do. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. If you've enjoyed this video, if you did, please go ahead and hit the like button, and please do subscribe. Turn on your notifications as videos are going to continue to pour in as we move forward through 2021. This is going to be the road and journey to wealth and to just massive portfolio returns as we move forward. Thanks, everyone.